your computer science lecturer from Government Degree College for Women, and this is our 4th year's computer science first lecture. In 4th year we have to do database management system in your outline, and the second is VBNet. There are two parts of your paper, database and VBNet. First one, we're gonna start DBMS, database management system. In database management system, what the first two things come from is data and information. You have already known data and information in your last classes in 3rd year, first year, 2nd year. What the we can overview this. What the data, what we can say data is, the data is raw facts and figures that is useless, and we change into the useful thing which is called information. In between the input and output, or we say data and information, there is a in between operation which is called processing system or processing the data. If there is a question about between difference between data and information, of your overview we can pick 5 or 6 differences about data and information. First one, we can say the data is raw facts and information is useful in data or useful or processed data. It is meaningless, it is meaningful. Data is the input form and information is the output form. Next one is data does not depend upon input. We can say it is independent of information, and we can say this is dependent on data. Like whatever the data is, it does not depend on the information, but information is collected and formed by data, so information is dependent on data. Next, we say data is in a huge form, in a huge volume, in a large volume, then it is processed and made into a small and short form and in a short volume. This is some difference of data and information. You will get all information, you will get all this by understanding this difference, what is data and what is information. This is the major overview of your past lectures. And then the new thing we are gonna do in our lecture is metadata. This is a new concept for you guys, in which metadata we are gonna study it about what is metadata and how it is what is it useful for. So metadata is data about data. If we go in its definition, then what is data about data? The data we are using relative data of that data. What is relative data? Like if we are using data of names, what database we will use for names is metadata of name table. You know what are databases? Databases are different forms in which we can keep our data. Like if we have the numbers, we keep the data in integer database. If we have names and alphabets and names and alphabets together collected, we give it in the string form. string database. If we have numbers, we give it in integer database. If we have characters, we give it into a character database. These are different databases. Okay, this is one data and this is data about data, in which form we have to manage the name table or the name field is called data about data. There is a small example I'm gonna share with you about metadata. It's a table form. You can understand it completely about metadata. This is example we have about metadata, like we have roll numbers. This is a field of our data, and this is all is metadata, data about data. Okay, roll number, for that we have metadata is data type, which data type we take to storing the roll number, which is the length, which is description, and constraints. Constraint means what is the limit of the data from 0 to 200. We can take it from any limit. Roll number is in integer form because all the roll numbers are in number form. Length is 3. What is 3 means? The roll numbers only in 3 digits, like 3 111 or 311, like this. This is the example of length. Description is what are the roll numbers are about. They are about students, and constraint is 0 to 200. Value falls in 0 to 200. Like the last roll number should be 199 or 200. What is the name is alphabet data type. Name are come in alphabet data type, or we can say name are also comes in string data type. In address is alphanumeric. What is alphanumeric? It is alphabets are also present and numeric numbers are also present. Then email is also alphanumeric. It is also called data about data. Email ID of the student, and this is example to understand you guys completely about metadata. This is first concept of database management system. We are done here, and we will do our next part of database management system in next lecture, inshallah. And do revise this all and keep it in your mind. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.